In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert your signature into a document effortlessly. This is a handy skill to have, especially in our increasingly digital world where signing documents electronically can save you time and hassle. We'll go through each step together, so you'll be able to confidently add your signature to any document whenever you need to. First things first, you'll want to have your document open and ready for editing. At this point, make sure you're in a section of the document where you'd like your signature to appear. Once there, it's time to start the process of inserting your signature. With your cursor placed exactly where you want your signature to be, navigate to the top of your screen and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you should select Drawing. This will open another smaller menu, and here you'll select Plus New. By doing this, a new drawing window will open, allowing us to create our signature. In the drawing window, you'll see various tools at your disposal, but the one we're interested in is the Line tool. Click on the Line tool drop-down, which will give you multiple options for different types of lines you can use. We are going to use Scribble, which you'll find among the options. Scribble is perfect for freehand drawing, making it the right choice for creating a natural-looking signature. Now comes the fun part. You'll use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to draw your signature within the drawing window. If you're using a mouse or trackpad, it might take a little practice to get your signature just right. A stylus can give you more precision and a more natural feel, similar to signing with a pen. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always clear your scribble and try again until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you have your signature looking just the way you like it, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save and Close option, usually in the upper right corner of the drawing window. Click on it, and your created signature will appear in your document exactly where you placed your cursor. It's now in your document, so you can move and resize it just like you would with an image. This flexibility allows you to adjust your signature's position or size to fit perfectly within the document space. Congratulations! You've successfully inserted your signature into your document. This method is efficient and provides a neat and professional look to our documents. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become at effortlessly adding your signature to any document. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.